Good morning, folks. Welcome to an OCC Queensland weather app today, the 23rd of November 2022. My name's Chris Nitzo. This update brought to you by TownsvilleSheds.com, our major sponsor. Check them out if you're in the market for a shed-safe accredited shed. Righto, this morning we had a line of storms that pushed through the Townsville district. We also had some nice storm activity up here in the northeastern parts of the Cape and Torres Strait. We've got a trough system off the coast out here near Willis Island and another trough system pushing through the Burdekin region southwards. We've also got lots of light patchy rain and cloud cover across southern and central inland. Some of this isn't actually falling to the ground. Some of it will be evaporating before it gets to the ground. Not much in the way of significant rainfall that you can measure out of this stuff. On the winds chart, we can see our two trough systems, one near Willis Island, one near Townsville. That system's moving southwards, that system's moving southwestwards. Looking at this afternoon, we're expecting to see showers and thunderstorms in the Burdekin region, inland Burdekin region particularly, and through the inland Herbert region. We're expecting to see isolated showers potentially on the northeast Queensland coast. We're also seeing some shower activity enhanced around the Whitsunday region as the day progresses. Showers and storms will develop also around the southwestern Cape, the Gulf country. Northern inland Queensland in general will see increasing instability. It's just difficult to pinpoint exactly where those storms are going to be across that area, just because we don't have much steering and we don't really have strong boundary lines developing through the region. You can see our Willis Island trough tracking westwards and southwestwards through the afternoon into this evening, and you can see it just starting to impact the far northern parts of Queensland around the Cape Trib area up towards Cooktown. It's a bit difficult at the moment, but we do think that system is going to be weakening as it approaches the north tropical coastline, so perhaps the heavier rainfall will be well north of Cairns, but might just induce some shower activity across the north tropical coast early in the morning, or overnight tonight, early in the morning. Overnight storms across the northeastern Cape, the Torres Strait, and potentially some overnight storm activity pushing into the Gulf country and through Western Cape regions. Notice that also shower activity will continue in the Mackay, or develop in the Mackay region, but continue in the Whitsunday region overnight tonight, early tomorrow. Maybe an isolated thunderstorm in the morning, similar to the stuff that Townsville got this morning across that part of the world. And tomorrow we're looking at increasing instability across inland northern central Queensland. We're watching for that surface trough to see what it does, and we're going to continue to see some showers and storms through the Cape. We'll talk about that in the morning. Rainfall between now and 10 o'clock or 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. We can see that we've got significant rainfall potential across the Burdekin region into the Central Coast Whitsundays area, particularly inland of the coast for this afternoon storm activity, and on the coast and adjacent inland areas overnight, early in the morning. Showers and thunderstorms across parts of northern inland Queensland. Showers and thunderstorms also across western parts of the Cape. Showers and thunderstorms also across the northeastern parts of the Cape. And, of course, we're watching for that surface trough as it tracks westwards, and you can see some rainfall developing across the north tropical coasts. Elsewhere across the state, we can see lots of cloud activity resulting in some very light patchy rain across southern and central inland Queensland, pushing towards the coast overnight and early tomorrow. Or rather, continuing overnight and early tomorrow. There's plenty of weather coming up. Head over to join.ozcyclonechasers.com.au if you'd like to subscribe to us and support our work. We talk about all this stuff in way more detail, and we go way further ahead into the future and look at other stuff that's going to be happening soon. And there's a lot of stuff going to be happening soon. Have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow.